The 270-degree awning in our last video shades best when the sun hits the opposite side of the camper, the driver's side. When the sun shines in the upper windows on that side, it gets very hot inside. We can close the windows, but then we lose our cross-flow ventilation. This video covers our DIY window awning that addresses this problem. It shades the upper windows on the driver's side so the sun does not hit the upper soft top and windows, and you can still get a cool breeze through all four windows. It makes a huge difference. The setup takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes, so it's not quite as quick as our 270 awning. The key here is to remember to attach the awning top end before you raise the roof on the camper. Tools used include a circular saw with a metal cutting blade, a file, a drill, a grommet kit, and a sewing machine. The main components for this awning are the same polyurethane-coated ripstop polyester that we used for the other awning, plus 4 aluminum tent poles scavenged from an old dome tent that was past its prime. The tent pole tips were shaved to fit in the grommets I had available. I'll put dimensions in the description. The key to avoiding any new holes in our camper is the use of existing screws for most of the attachments. At the top, we clip into these little D-rings with tiny clips. At the middle level, we set the tent poles in little aluminum brackets that we leave in place all the time. And at the bottom level, in front and back ends, we attach guide cords to more D-rings. This makes it very wind resistant. At first, there was a gap along the top edge between the fabric and the camper roof, so I cut the head off zip ties and slipped each one in a little sleeve behind the webbing at each attachment point. Now the top 4 inches of fabric flops over the camper top and there is no gap. Works great. Well, that should give you enough information to make your own window awning. We don't use it a lot, but when it's hot and sunny, it's a lifesaver and well worth the time spent. Well, thanks much for watching. We hope one or both of these awning ideas help you camp in greater comfort on the really hot days.